The Rocket 3R isn't just a motorcycle. It's an engineering masterpiece born from British precision and raw courage. It's not for everyone. It's for those who dare to tame 2.5 liters of pure madness. Let's start with the heart of this monster. A massive 2500cc inline triple engine, producing a jaw-dropping 165 horsepower and 163 pound-feet of torque. That's more muscle than most sports cars on the street. When you twist that throttle, the world blurs around you. The Rocket doesn't accelerate, it launches. Every pull feels like your soul is being pushed forward by a hurricane of torque. Just one glance and you know it's something special. The sculpted tank, triple exhaust pipes, and that aggressive stance. It's not designed to fit in. It's built to dominate every parking lot it enters. Every inch of this bike screams craftsmanship, from the brushed aluminum finish to the perfect welds and polished chrome. Triumph didn't build this with shortcuts. They built it with pride. Despite its size, it handles like a dream. The aluminum frame keeps it light, while Showa suspension and Brembo brakes give you absolute control. Its power and precision, perfectly balanced. With a price hovering around $24,000, it's not cheap. But for what it delivers, it's worth every cent. This isn't just a bike, it's a statement of dominance and refinement. Owning a Rocket 3R isn't about showing off. It's about knowing you ride something few ever will. It's confidence, not arrogance. Power, not noise. A masterpiece for the bold. Ride safe, ride fierce, and always ride with purpose. Because when you're on a Rocket, every twist of the throttle feels like rewriting gravity itself.